Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to redeem your Spotify gift card. And it's actually really easy and simple to do this. All you do is once you are logged into your Spotify account, okay, come here at the top right and click on your profile icon. So I'll click on this right here, all right? And then we'll see a bunch of options. What I want you to do is come here and click on account, okay? So we are on this page, the account overview page. Now we'll scroll down here under payment. So under payment, they have an option that says redeem. Just want to go ahead and tap on this option. Okay, and here we're able to redeem our code. So you just need to enter the PIN at the back of your gift card. Okay, and then you make sure you enter it right here. Do the CAPTCHA, right? And prove that you're not a robot. If they ask you to choose for buses, go ahead and choose those buses, and there we go. Enter your code and click on continue. Really that easy and simple.